gold, I can give it all to you. And with the heart of gold, I can buy the world for you. But for now I am just flesh and blood, that's true. But with my heart of gold, my love is rich for you.
I'm committed to you. This one is given willingly, absolute, without hesitation. I'm yours now and have been since I met you. We were married before today and always will be from this day forward. Let's build our home. Let's fill it with love and laughter, joy and light. When two become one, we create a family built on love, trust, and honesty. As your husband, I am yours, and I tenderly deliver my heart to you.
I promise to you today, and for the rest of my life, is that I'll never let you fail, and I'll always be by your side. You are my best friend, and so is Carla. And we are in this together. I cherish you, I cherish our love and our bond, and I cherish our family we have created. You are strong, courageous, and a man of God, and everything more, and I couldn't ask for anything more in a husband. I look forward to doing this life adventure together, and I promise to give you 110% of me. I also said to Taylor, to Emmy, to AJ, and to Elijah, I look forward to many laughs and unforgettable moments. I will always be here for you, and I'm an honor to be a part of your guys' life.
I now pronounce you husband and wife.
In a world full of darkness and light, sorrow, sadness, and despair, all I have is your love and your light, and I'm not going anywhere. I never thought that I would fall so hard, but that's exactly what I did. Now we're together and I can't wait to start the rest of our lives here. So will you take me and will you make me the happiest man in the world? Say, can I take you and can I make you? Can I make you my forever girl?
I've noticed a change in my dad. I see him smile, he talks about you all the time. He loves you very much.
You're the one my mama told me would be waiting when I'm ready, and I ain't gonna lie, I didn't believe, but she was right and I was wrong, and now you're here and we're alone, and baby, that's alright with me. So will you take me and will you make me the happiest man
Nothing makes me happier than to finally be able to call you my mom.
The happiest man in the world. Said, can I take you? And can I make you? Can I make you my forever girl? Straight to your heart, right from my mind, yeah. I follow your path that opens the eyes. I follow all of your signs. If they find me, they find me. Let's give us a chance. My love, my love, my love. I'm going straight to it. My love, my love, my love. I'm going straight to it. To the heart that gives me life. The sparkle in my eye. All the lovely lights. When our hearts combine, yeah.
When I met Sophia, I was like, wow, that's absolute gold. I'm so blessed and so happy for you that you have that special, beautiful woman in your life that complements your greatness.
So many things I can say about you and Vince and this moment. She's strong, tenacious, loyal, loving, and everything else in between. He makes her so happy. Love recognizes no barriers. It jumps hurdles, leaps fences, penetrates walls to arrive at a destination full of hope.